Okay, I think it could be time for a new iPad stand because this one is kind of broken. You can see it's sliding up and down, but when I try to tighten it, it does not tighten. So this is broken and I think it's time for a new iPad stand. Alright, so I have the box here, so I'm just gonna see what's inside the box. Here it is. Oh, it's a little heavy. I have a manual here. So it just talks about the product installation. It's just the instructions, and I'm pretty sure it's very easy to put together. It's just basically you screw it together. As you can see, it has kind of two joints. So when you put it together, it's supposed to look like this, and it's a little more flexible. It also has a large base on the bottom. I'll put all the details of this, of course, in the description box below. I'm hoping it'll be a little more sturdy. This one cost a little bit more. I believe it was about $70, but there was a coupon. So I think it came out to about $50 something, but again, I'll put the details in the box below. Okay. So this is one of the joints. Now, I'm not very good at putting this kind of stuff together, so I hope I can do it properly without breaking anything. Okay, so here's one arm, okay. Here is the, I believe it's the place where you put the iPad in. And it looks like you just screw it on, and then you can adjust the size of it. Now you also get this one, which it looks like you just screw it on. And this one. It looks like some nunchucks. Yeah, if you put it together, you know. Anyways, all right, here is the base. It's actually pretty heavy, which is a good sign because I assume that your iPad, once put together, will not wobble around. Okay, which is great. But it looks like if you're planning to kind of bring your iPad stand around, if you want it to be portable, then this doesn't look like it's going to be too portable. So yeah, it's quite heavy. So if you want to bring it around to another house or something, it's not going to be very convenient. Okay, here's how it looks like. It's just basically a big piece of metal. Okay, so I'm just going to angle this downwards so you can see everything here. All right, so this is everything that came in the box. So I think it looks simple enough. So you're just going to see me fiddle around here. Just bear with me because I'm just trying to put this together here. Okay, this fits, so I'm just gonna screw it on. It looks like this one goes right on top. Looks like this one goes in here. Uh-oh, you guys can't see. Let me angle this. All right, so I have this here. I think you just stick it in here. Whoop. Okay, I'm afraid. Okay. Okay, I think this is it. That's the only piece left, so I'm just gonna stick it at the very top. Okay, alright guys, sorry, this is gonna have to be manual, so handheld. Sorry for any shaking, but here's the finished stand. So it's quite easy to put together. I just had to free my hands and just kind of screw this part together. Basically, you unscrew this thingy here, you stick the metal ball inside, and then just screw it back together. And then here is your, where you put the iPad. And then you have an adjustment here, so you can tighten this. All right guys, I found an old iPad and I just stuck it in there just to see how it is, and it looks pretty sturdy, so you can adjust it in a lot of ways. So there's a knob here to tighten it up. This will adjust to the size of your iPad. And there are knobs here. Swing it around. Oops. A knob here just to tighten things up. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. That was my very, very quick unboxing of my new iPad stand, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.